Students, good morning. Welcome back to GK class. Students, today we're gonna study chapter number 26, Animal Choices. Animal choices. And here we have to tick the correct answer. Okay, along with that, we will try to share some knowledge, whatever I know about them. Okay, so let's get started. The first sentence is apes have no tail, a long tail, a short tail. Which one is correct? Tell me. Here option A is correct. Apes have no tail. Okay. Let me tell you about apes. That apes are omnivore. आपको पता है वो omnivore होते हैं. Carnivore क्या होते हैं? Carnivore eats meat and a herbivore eats plants and an omnivore will eat both. So apes are omnivores. Okay, and you know that apes can make tools and they are very smart, and they have a similar type of blood type which chimpanzees have, and apes can learn languages also, and apes learn these languages through observation, so they are very smart. Do you want to see the picture of apes? Let me show you. See, this is the picture of ape. Apes looks like that. They are very huge type of monkeys, correct? And they have very heavy sound also. Let's go back to the second question now. Second question is crabs have 8 legs, 6 legs, flippers. Crabs means kekde. Crabs are mostly active animals with complex behavior patterns, you know that, and they have 8 legs, 8 to 10 legs. Okay, so option A is correct, 8 legs. You know what? How they communicate? They can communicate by drumming or waving their pincers. जो उनके बिल्कुल पिंसर्स जो होते हैं जिनसे वो पकड़ बहुत कांटेदार होते हैं, बिल्कुल सरसी की जैसे उनके जो पार्ट होते हैं बॉडी के, जिनको पिंसर्स बोलते हैं, वो उनको वेव करके और ड्रमिंग वाला साउंड निकाल करके उससे वो कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन फर्दर. Sentence third. Snakes are found A. only on land, B. on land and in water, C. only in water. The correct option here is B. Snakes are found on land and in water. दोनों जगह पाए जाते हैं snakes, land पे भी, water पे भी. And you must have seen snakes in real life also. आपको पता है they hate cinnamon and clove oil smells. They really hate them. और बिल्कुल भी वो cinnamon की जो स्मेल होती है उसको पसंद नहीं करते हैं. And let me tell you the 5 deadliest and most dangerous snakes in the world. They are death adder, tiger snake, Russell's viper, black mamba and inland taipan. They all are very dangerous. Okay, now let's move further. Fourth one, moles are always busy digging underground, so they have option A, poor eyesight, poor health, blunt claws. Option A is correct, poor eyesight. मोल्स हमेशा ज़मीन को खोदते रहते हैं और इसलिए उनकी जो आँखें हैं वो आईसाइट जो है, जो उनकी नज़र जो होती है आँखों की, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा वीक होती है. दे हैव वेरी पुअर आईसाइट. Have you ever seen the picture of moles? Let me show you. So here is the picture of moles. See how they look. They always try to dig into the ground, and that's why they have very poor eyesight. Next sentence is a dragonfly cannot fly, 2 wings, 4 wings. A dragonfly has option C is correct, 4 wings. Okay, you know what sentence is? Piranhas are fierce hunters with strong jaws and sharp teeth. They are piranhas क्या है? They are a fish. Piranhas are the name of the fish. Okay, so mark it correct. Option A, fish is correct. Let's move further. 7. A tarantula is a fish, an insect, a spider. Tarantula is a spider's name. Okay, so mark it correct. Option C, a spider is correct. Okay, let's move further. Okay, next we have butterflies. Butterflies have a hollow tube like mouth with which they suck. Option A, flower nectar. बटरफ्लाइज के बॉडी में एक हॉलो ट्यूब होता है, मीन्स मुंह की तरह एक खाली ट्यूब होता है जो वो फ्लावर के नेक्टर को सक करने के लिए यूज़ करती हैं. 9. डैश कैन कैच ह्यूमन कोल्ड्स एंड अदर इलनेस. Option A, gorillas. They can catch human colds and other illness also. Okay. 10th one, ostrich can run faster than dash horses, lions, elephants, horses. Option A again is correct. Horses, ostriches can actually run faster than horses. वो घोड़ों से तेज दौड़ सकते हैं. Okay. And let me show you the picture of all these animals. See, this is the picture of a dragonfly. You know what? Dragonflies are really expert flyers. They can fly straight up and down and hover like a helicopter and even mate mid-air. And if they can't fly, they will start starving, because they only eat prey they catch while flying. So that's why they start starving whenever they fly. Next picture is of the piranhas. They are the very dangerous fishes. Just look at their teeth. Old piranhas used to have 2 rows of the teeth, but now the studies suggested that modern piranhas have only 1 row of teeth. Oh my god, it's really looking dangerous. Okay, the next picture is of tarantulas. They are the tarantulas. See their hair. They are very hairy. And it is a very huge and hairy type of spider, an insect. Next picture is of an ostrich. You can see it, and they are really bigger, actually the biggest bird in the world, and they can grow up to 9 feet. 9 feet, oh my god, 9 feet tall, and can weigh up to 145 kilograms also. So here we have done with all the animals choices exercises given in your GK book. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. I'll see you in next class. Thank you.